Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're getting an issue installing an application, getting a setup incomplete because of a metered connection error. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So basically, a metered connection is going to limit how much you download and upload on your computer to the network every second or so. So while that could be good if you're really running low on bandwidth and you have a data cap, this might be causing issues with the installation of some applications, as you're likely finding yourself on this video having. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the start menu. Left click on the start button one time, and then go ahead and left click on the settings icon on the left side. Wherever you hover over it, it should say settings. Left click on that one time. Give the settings window a moment to load, and then left click on devices. So now if you have a specific device that you're having the issue with, so if we look on the right side, you scroll down, where it says download over meter connection, if it's currently check marked in here, you just want to uncheck it. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and try and download the devices again, and then if you have to re-enable meter connection, you're more than welcome to, but just want to put that out there. So if you're having an immediate issue, this tutorial should be able to help you guys out with that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.